Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna have the first update after 6 months of starting this project pan, and this is gonna be my Partners in Cream project pan update. It's gonna be a short one, but a good one, because 3 of the 6 products that I chose for this project, I've already finished, and I'm gonna show you the ones that I'll be replacing them with, and I'm also gonna be replacing one that I haven't touched, not once. But honestly, I forgot about this project pan. I stopped doing project pans. And I've been happy rotating my collection, and I've been rotating it every single week, and I've been just shopping my stash every time I'm gonna do my makeup, which is almost every single day. So I haven't been neglecting my collection, and I think that's the goal for people that love to project pan, but it's also to be kept in check and to know how long it takes to finish a product, because makeup items take forever to finish. Even if you focus in just one product, it will take months and months and months. For some of them, even a year or 2 years to finish them completely. So I wanted to go back to project panning since I've been enjoying watching them again more and more, and since I'm planning on moving to Atlanta within a year. I have to be there tops in May of next year. Finally, I got some paperwork done and fulfilled, so now I'm just waiting for another step, and I will have to move. So yeah, that's gonna be my focus for this upcoming year from June to June, to finish the most amount of makeup items that I can and to bring the less amount of makeup items to my collection. Let's just start with my Partners in Cream update, and I'll make sure to update you guys monthly on this one. This goes up every 10th of the month. Today is the 12th of July, and I'll probably post this today, since today I have to post a video. It wasn't the video that I had planned, but I want to post it close to the date that everyone is posting it. This was created by Stefan Delin, and the only rule is that you have to bring only cream products. Powders are not allowed. So without further ado, if you want to see my progress on the products that I finished so far and the ones that I'm gonna be rolling into this project, then just keep on watching. Okay, so after this video, you'll be seeing my empties, and I already threw out the 3 products that I had here on this project that I finished. So you will see them on my empties. But the 3 products that I finished were my Color Me Beautiful Spice Lip Liner, which was a little knob but took me forever to finish. I finally finished that. Then the Too Faced Lip Injection Mini, which I'm happy that I finished because I've been obsessed with my Buxom lip plumping product. I just adore that. I will leave a link below because I've been using that almost every single day. And then also I finished my Burberry highlighter. It was a cream highlighter on a stick, and I had like this amount left, but cream highlighter or highlighter in general takes me ages to finish. So I finished those 3 products, and the 3 that I have left right here, I'm still working on them, and one I didn't reach for at all. So this one, it's one that I'm gonna roll out, because these I only use when I don't use makeup and when I have sort of like a beachy type of trip, because I've been using cream bronzer but not this type of cream bronzer. And this is the Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in the shade Silhouette, and this is what I have from this product. I used it when I first got it a ton, but then I realized that I don't like applying it on top of foundation and on top of powder. I love to apply this directly into my skin. I feel like it looks the most natural. It's so sheer and beautiful. It's the perfect summer when you want to wear nothing on your face type of bronzer, and I use it when I need to use it for those occasions. But is this line right here, but I'm not gonna make myself finish it putting it on top of foundation, which I don't like. So I'm gonna just roll this one out. Then for the other 2 products, I have the Urban Decay Stash Eyeliner. I use this one right here to create sort of like my wing liner right here in my waterline. I also used it today, and then I sharpened it because it was flat. And I think I have a couple more uses left. I know that I've worked on this throughout the year. It's just that I tend to reach for my brown and my black eyeliners every single day, because I do use pencil liners every single day, but it's just the black, the brown, and my nude ones. And then the colorful ones, which I have a ton, and I haven't purchased one eyeliner since forever. I don't use quite as often, but I'm so positive that I will be finishing this by the next update. I'm gonna take it with me on my trip, and I'm not gonna take any black eyeliner, just to make sure that I use this one. And then last but not least is the lip gloss that I'm wearing today. These I love, but I don't know why I never reach for lip glosses. I think that now that I have a baby, I wear only lip tints more than ever because I'm kissing my baby constantly. He's super kissable. If you haven't met him yet, you can go to my Level Up Project Pan video that I just posted, and you will see him at the end of the video. He's a cutie and I love him. His name is Mariano. These I had the smallest amount and I've used it throughout the year, but not enough to finish it. And I know that it doesn't seem like there's a lot in here, but if you never use it, I've applied it today twice, and you need the littlest amount. Like even without grabbing anything, I have enough right here in the wand to keep applying more and more. Maybe by the next update, if I take this as my only lip product for my trip, I can make sure that I finish it. But for me, I never put products in a project pan that I know I can finish without putting them in project pans, if that makes any sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep these two on the project, and hopefully I will have them done by my next update, since I'm so eager to finish products before my move. And I'm gonna roll in 4 new products to this project pan to have 6 products again, so that you can see me finishing them throughout the year. I'm not gonna be doing refreshes. I'm only gonna do this as a rolling project pan. What I'm hopefully gonna do till December 10th, which is the day that this project pan it's gonna be done, is that I'm gonna finish the most amount of products that I have. And I have a bad relationship with products that are almost done. So that's what I'm gonna be putting on this project. Products that are almost finished, and then a small deluxe size samples that I never reach for, so that I can reach for them. And I'm gonna put here one long-term product that it's gonna be showing progress, because I'll talk more about it when I get to that product. I never use lip liner, almost never, unless I'm gonna go to an event or I'm gonna go to a super fancy date, which I almost never go to, because now I'm a mom and I'm always focused on going to the movies and come back and whatnot, because my baby has a sleep schedule, and if he sleeps better, I sleep better. So I've been focusing on that. So I almost never wear lip liner, but I need to finish this one before it goes bad. This is the Kylie Jenner Exposed lip liner. Last year, I think I finished the lipstick, the liquid lipstick, and this was a gift from my mom. And this one is getting dried out. I'm gonna swatch it right here, and it's beautiful. I know I can actually work on it. I don't know if I'll finish it by the end of the year, but I can make sure that I use it every single day. I can even use this as the lipstick and then this one as the gloss on top. So this is gonna be the first one. I think I've sharpened these a couple times. So yeah, this is gonna be my first rolling, and it's gonna be a long-term one for sure. Then I have this one that I'm wearing today mixed with another foundation. And this is something that I've been working on silently, like a silent project pan for the past year. You only need the tiniest amount of this product, but also this is the kind of product that when you apply it on your face and you feel that it's too thick, it will just ruin your makeup day. For me, this I've been trying to use up, but I haven't been successful at it. I can't tell you exactly where we're at, but I know it's really low. But the amount of product that you need to get like a fully covered face, it's insane. Like it's a tiny amount. So what I will be doing is I will leave it in the project, but I'll be mixing it with other foundations until I finish it. I'm gonna take it on my trip with a small size of another foundation, and I'll make sure to mix them both every day, and hopefully I will have this as an empty finally by next month. Truly don't know, because let me see. It still looks opaque in the bottom, and I make the best out of the products that I get, so I will scrape it and try to make the most out of it. This is the Faux Filter foundation in the shade Creme Brulee 150. This matches me amazingly. Sometimes it can be a little bit darker than my skin, but I am wearing it today and it matches my skin perfectly. So yeah, this is gonna be my next rolling. And then this is gonna replace the Illamasqua one, and this is one of my oldest cream bronzers, and I love it. I'm hoping that this is gonna be an easy one. This is the Nudist Matte All Over Face in the shade Bondi Bay. This is what I have left of this one, but these I tend to reach for more often. But since I brought so many cream bronzers, I've stopped using these and I've been neglecting it, and I don't want to do that. So this will be the only cream bronzer that I will take on my trip as well, and that will make sure that I reach for it more and more. So yeah, this is a beautiful bronzer. I'm gonna swatch it right here. And then last but not least, this is the product that I told you that it was a long-term product, but that I knew I was gonna make some progress. Is the product that I'm wearing today on my brows, because I'm not gonna buy any more brow pencils. If there's a 21 days of beauty and I can buy one or two of the Precisely My Brow, maybe I will, but I'm hoping that I have the strength and the will to not do so, because I want to make sure that I use this one up. And if I have a pencil, that's quicker and it's easier for me. And you can see today that I'm wearing the pomade on my brows. This is the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, that they don't look super intense. I use them like a powder brow, and that depends on the amount that you grab. I've been recommending this to my clients to buy it and get it for themselves instead of a pencil or instead of a powder, just because when you grab the smallest amount, and the brush that I have them purchase with this is the 7B by Anastasia. I will leave that link below. It makes a huge difference, and it can create brows where you don't have them as well. So it can create a tail if you're lacking one easier than a pen, and it will end up being way more affordable, because this has the cost of, I think, almost an entire eyebrow pencil. But I go through eyebrow pencils like 4, 5, or 6 a year, and I know that this will carry me throughout the entire year, and maybe it will carry me throughout the next year as well. And I have a backup that was sent to me by a friend, and I have another shade that I love as well, which is ash brown, but I want to focus on dark brown as my main shade to finish before my move. So yeah, this has a ton of product. You will see it on my updates. I will take pictures of the products, but this one I think is the one that you will see the most progress from month to month. The other ones I will put in are ones that I'm hoping to finish within a month or two. Okay, so those are my 6 products for my Partners in Cream Project Pan. Now I have a recount: the Fenty Gloss, Bondi Bay Bronzer, Huda Beauty Foundation, Kylie Cosmetics Expose Lip Liner, the Estache Eyeliner by Urban Decay, and my Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia in the shade Dark Brown. And that's it for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoy my project pans, if you want me to do more project pans, I'm about to film a full face of summer type of project pan that will complement the makeup that I have on my Partners in Cream project pan, and I will start doing seasonal project pans again on my channel to see if I can finish the most amount of products before May of next year, that I have to pack everything and move across the seas. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember that I leave a question below so that we can start chatting about makeup. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.